For a one-time import of hundreds of thousands of images, for aerial triangulation calculation, Get3D Mapper supports automatic division of aerial triangulation blocks through algorithms, and the whole process is convenient and efficient without manual effort. For an imported block, select it, right-click it, and click Split Sub-Block. The Split Photo Group window will pop up. Select the block, click Autosplit, and enter the number of photos you want to include in a single sub-block. Click Start Split in the upper right corner. You can see that the software will quickly and automatically divide the sub-blocks by algorithm. Click OK in the lower right corner to finish splitting the sub-blocks. When a single block contains many images, clicking Submit Aerial Triangulation Calculation brings up a pop-up that suggests dividing sub-blocks. Dividing sub-blocks helps to improve computing efficiency, increase cluster utilization, and facilitate parallel computing in the cluster.